Welcome to this short video from the Carleton University Library on creating a Jamboard. Jamboard is a digital whiteboard that supports brainstorming and collaboration. This video assumes that you have a Google account. Start at jamboard.google.com and sign into your Google account. Click on the multicolored plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This plus sign is used to create a blank board. A blank board will appear, and you can add the title in the field in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Click OK. There is a toolbar in the left-hand navigation. In this video, we will use two tools, the sticky note and the text box. The sticky notes allow you to organize different ideas or objects on the board and to collaborate with others on a project. Let's click on this option. As you can see, there are 5 different colors of notes. Let's say you're working in a group of 4 people and each person has to share their favorite desserts on a board. You could assign a color of sticky note to each person. Let's say I'm yellow. I will write the name of my favorite dessert on the note and then click Save. This posts the note with the label to the board. I can add a second dessert. So we'll go back to the sticky notes and type in the name of my second favorite dessert. And click Save. Now I can rearrange my notes on the page. I can drag and drop them into position, and I can make them larger or smaller. Now I can go to the left-hand navigation and click on text box. When I click back on the board, I have a box in which to type and I can put my name. I can also drag and drop the text box. So now I have a column with my name at the top and my 2 favorite desserts. Each member of the team for this project can follow the same process. The final board allows everyone to compare and contrast their ideas, in this case their ideas about dessert, and have a conversation. There are other tools in the left-hand navigation, including an eraser, that further support the sharing of ideas. This is the end of this video.